In previous editions, we've covered costal breathing, which is when the backs of the hands go onto the upper part of the ribs and you breathe for 3, 2, 3, release, 2, 3, breathe in, 2, 3, release, 2, 3. But that's only half of the story. The other half involves the diaphragm. Intercostal breathing or costal breathing together with diaphragmatic breathing form what's known as the intercostal or central method. We're now going to have a look at diaphragmatic breathing in detail. Your best place to start to actually locate this muscle group is lying on the floor in supine position. So I'm lying on my back with my spine as flat as I can make it to the floor, knees crooked up, hands at the moment are face down, and I've got a pillow underneath my neck. Now I'm going to raise my hands and just put them, fingertips touching, just below my rib cage, and I'm going to exhale. As I inhale, I want the sensation of the fingertips parting. As I inhale, I want the fingertips to come back to rest. Let's do another round. Exhale. Breathe in. 2, 3. Breathe out. 2, 3. One more. Breathe in. 2, 3. Breathe out. 2, 3. The next task is to make sure that we can do this standing up. Let's go. The next section is to locate that muscle group in a standing position, and then we're going to have a look at some variations. So the easiest way is to put one hand in that area where those abdominal muscles are. Breathe in any old how, it doesn't matter. Exhale and push in firmly with your hand. Breathe in, let the hand come forward, and exhale and push in firmly. It's very easy to get it the other way around. For example, breathe in and we all go, and that's incorrect. We are actually making that space smaller when we need to be making it larger. So let's go back and do that again. So hand on your abdominal muscles, breathe in any old how, exhale, push in, and breathe in, exhale, push in, breathe in, exhale, push in. Now we're going to breathe in through the nose 3 times, and the hand and the abdominal muscles are going to do the same thing. So relax, give yourself a wiggle, hand back in that area, breathe in any old how, exhale, push in. Now in through the nose 3 times. 3 separate movements here. Now exhale. And repeat, breathe in. And release. On the exhale, push in, breathe in. Release. Last round and release. Well done. This next exercise is Diaphragm 2B. We're going to use exactly the same introduction with the hand, breathe in any old how, exhale, push in. But instead of breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, this time we're going to vocalize K-U-H, and it sounds like this. K, k, k. And then we're going to breathe out to ki, ki, ki. Both those sounds have the voice switched off, so they are unvocalized. So it's not ku, 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 ki, 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 but k, k, k on your inhale and ki, ki, ki on your exhale. Hand on your abs, breathe in any old how. Exhale, push in firmly. Empty yourself of air. Here we go. And k, 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 ki, 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 k, 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 ki, ki, ki. 2 more and k, 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 and Breathe in and release. There is a rest at the end. So there's 3 beats and then a rest. Well done. This is Diaphragm 2 Exercise C, and it has 4 parts to it. Again, the k is an inhale, 3 in a row, then a rest. The second half of the exercise, which is k, has 3 variations to it. My hand will indicate the k as an inhale and the k as an exhale. The first group are all crotchets, 1 beat. The second group of crotchets are broken into 2 quavers. The third group, the second half of the exercise, are broken into 3, which is triplets. And then the fourth variation, the crotchet beats are broken into 4, which are semi-quavers. So hand on your abs, breathe in any old how. Exhale, push in. Here we go. Breathe in. Now it's time to combine them both. In drama, this is called dropping back to breath, but I prefer to call it relax, breathe. What we're going to do is prepare the diaphragm, hand on your abs, breathe in any old how, exhale, push in, and now release. And lift the ribs. So it's 2 distinct movements. You release in one hit, and then you raise the ribs. 2 distinct movements. Let's try it again. Hand on your abs, breathe in any old how. Exhale, push in so that you're empty of air, and drop it and lift the ribs. One more time. Hand on your abs, breathe in any old how. Exhale, push in and relax, breathe. If you have a slightly open mouth, it'll deepen your intake and it should be a silent breath. As speakers and singers, often we get trapped by thinking that we need to actually exhale all the air within our lungs and then totally fill up again. This is not the case. You can actually relax, breathe on top of stored air. So let's see, this can be our indicator of our intake. I'm going to move my hand down and we're going to use again breathed and not voiced. When my hand stops, I want you to stop, hold. When you see my hand flutter, I want you to relax, breathe and top up. So you're going to relax the abdominal muscles and you're going to lift the intercostal muscles. So hand on your abs, breathe in any old how. Exhale, push in and breathe in. And drop back to breath. Bravo.